Welcome to Lingo Phrasal Verb. In this video, we're going to learn about the phrasal verb bail out. Let's get started. Bail out means to do something to help someone out of trouble, especially financial problems. For example, my brother always gets into trouble and expects me to bail him out. The company was on the verge of bankruptcy, but a wealthy investor bailed it out at the last minute. Let's learn through movies.
She bailed us both out.
Maybe if we bailed him out?
Because we didn't have anyone to bail us out.
Oh, I bailed her out of jail?
You know, I bailed this old man out of a big debt.
Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to Lingo Talk channel and hit the notification bell.